Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning. Well, it's a gloomy, drainy, rainy day. And we're going to look and see how our progress is doing today. Raspberry bushes doing just fine. Compost pile. Potatoes, soon to be new. And the pepper plants are coming along, especially with this rain. The peonies will be blooming soon. And our other empty pots waiting for the peppers to go on sale. Might even put in a few tomato plants, I don't know. Now I have also added, let's see if we'll get sunflower. Over here as well, that little pot. They usually grow well along the back. Especially since that's the part of the yard that gets the most sun. In the back, well, our squash plants have gone through their proto growth and now are stalling. What is that? Oh, yeah. Looks like the other leaf got taken out. Hey, critter. Yeah. Oh well. I plant lots. Look, our sage. Our sage is getting ready to seed. Once these start growing, it's going to be exponential. Now, our peas. Our peas are just doing fine. Peas by June. June in a couple of days. Carrots still doing okay. Yeah, and our zucchinis have finally all come up. And they're doing better. They're doing better than the other squashes. Well, zucchinis are usually a little faster. Zucchini! Yeah, like we noticed yesterday, the kale was starting to bolt. Yeah, free kale seeds. Oh, look at you. You need something to hang on to. Eh? Not today? All right. Yes, peas doing just fine, and potatoes. So, where the potatoes from last year did not come up, I planted sweet potatoes, and they have yet to come up. Well, I mean, some of them have come up. So I figured the rest of them would come up. Oh well. Not all planted at the same depth. Wow. Still trying to live, eh? Okay. Look at them. All getting munched on by something. unless I come out here in the dark, in the wee hours of the morning with a flashlight to figure out what's eating my plants, I don't think I'm gonna find out. And our potato bed back here. Still only 2 shoots, the one there and the one here. All right, well, along the back fence, we planted a lot of morning glory pods. So, there we go. There's a bunch of them coming up here. Well, we'll see how they do. They grew well last year and they covered this whole back fence. They haven't been sprouting as fast as they have in the front. Well, they were free seeds, and that's the beauty of growing them. One seed packet will give you a massive amount of vines with a whole ton of other seeds. Okay, well, drizzy, rainy day. Temperature's about 14, 15 degrees right now. It won't hit 20 today. Let's go in the front. Let's go in the front and see what it's doing. Chicks and peas. Well, more rain. Oh, look at these milkweeds just popping right out, eh? Have to get rid of those. Well, it looks like the other few plants, looks like sunflowers will make it. And I think I see a squash. Is that a squash? Is that a squash there? That could be a squash. Okay. And the other one back here is still growing. Yeah. All right. And right here in the front, lots of sunflowers coming along. And our morning glory progress. How's the other morning glories doing over here in the corner? Yeah, they always compete for the sun when they're growing, especially with the massive bird shit berry bush. Yeah, look at you guys. Okay, is that a little, oh, look at that, little berry color coming out. Anytime soon the berries will be here. All right, that's it for today's update on the growth. We'll see you next time on Occam's Razors, Gardening, Cooking, and Canning.